I have a pickup at the Macy's entrance. Is that on the side of the mall, on the Square One Mall, over by the Stop and Shop? Is that where you picked that up?
1010. On the opposite side where Salem 5 is, it's the last entrance after, before you make that turn by the parking garage there.
Alright, 10-4. So it's like in the front of the mall, or is it behind the mall? Alright, in the middle, but it's in the front, 10-4.
Not facing the highway, no, if that's what you're considering the front. But it's the entrance facing the parking garage.
Alright, 10-4, thank you.
10-4, you're welcome. Base to 863.
863. I'm just getting underway here. Had trouble finding a vehicle.
I'm sorry, you what?
Had trouble finding a usable vehicle today. Six on line.
To all drivers on this channel, do we have anyone in a van that can help out with the Woburn to Peabody? Okay, Woburn to Peabody, however, we need a van for this call. Ready at 258.
Road name changes in 200 meters.
Trade Center in Woburn going to Crown and Shield in Peabody.
Prepare to turn right in 800 meters.
807, you are in line, please stand by. Base to Joshua, please. Base to Joshua.
Yeah, Joe, I'm down on Bennett Street here. I'm clear here.
Alright, do me a favor, start heading towards Woburn.
Woburn?
Yes, please.
.389 getting in line. 731 in line. And Nate 7 is in the line. Passenger 401.
Road name changes in 200 meters. In 300 meters, turn right.